Let's talk about AI for qualifying leads. Fairware's custom GPT. FILA, am I pronouncing that right? Fairware's
Yeah,
inbound lead
yeah,
assistant.
I
That's
am a
awesome.
child of the 90s, so FILA was something that was big for me growing up. And so it feels like a kind of a full circle moment. But yeah, FILA, like when we get an inbound lead, we do vet it. I'm sure a lot of the people on the call also vet inbound leads to make sure they're real companies and that they fit within your company's mission and ethos. So when we do that, traditionally we've used LinkedIn, the company's websites, we've used other social media channels. And it does take a minute to like figure out if this client is the right client for us. And so we developed a custom GPT, which basically we just put in the company's name, and from those places, it pulls in all the data we're looking for. So the company overview you see here, sustainability and ethical sourcing, how important is that to the company? And then the social media presence, like how big are the company, how much reach do they have, where are they located, all that information that we know is really valuable helps us get from an inbound lead to a qualified inbound lead quicker, and then back to the client as effectively as possible.
Okay, Charles, you probably said this, but you're using ChatGPT for this or Google
So this
LLM?
is ChatGPT. Yeah, this is a
Okay.
custom GPT that we built. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. You're also using this for product copy. So now we have Fairware's custom GPT. Is it Miles now or Miles? What are we going with
No,
there?
it's Miles now.
Okay.
And to be honest, like I was just playing with names,
I love it.
but
We're
to
all
make it
branding
easier
people
to
here. We're
remember.
all branding people here, right? Go ahead. What are we looking at here?
Yeah, I mean, this is a fun one. I think one of the big things, I mean, we're on the commonsku platform, obviously, we love it. One of the struggles we have with it every once in a while, and it's not on commonsku, but some of our suppliers won't put great product copy. They'll put great product into the stream, and we want to sell a great product, but sometimes the story or what it's made out of or the composition, it doesn't get dragged in. And my team spends a lot of time researching it and writing new copy, and it does take a lot of time. And so what we've built here is just a way to type in impact aware recycling cotton tote, and for this ChatGPT to give us the content that we need to then put it into commonsku right away. So we're not having to recreate anything or build anything ourselves. It's just creating it for us. I mean, ideally, this would be, if I was going to put into commonsku University about the things that I'd want to see in the future, like a native opportunity to be able to do this would be really high on my wish list because we just want to get the story out there for like great products and sell great products.